Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you are in the world. Welcome to UC Daily Report, where we are featuring the latest updates on national and international news, politics, sports, music, lifestyle, celebrity news, entertainments, and more. So, we are giving you the breaking news of today. Thanks for your attention. Atiku and Okowa meet ex-president Jonathan ahead of 2023 presidential election. On Thursday night, Atiku Abubakar, the PDP presidential candidate, and Ifeanyi Okowa, his running mate, met with Goodluck Jonathan, the former president. This was announced by Okowa, who is also the governor of Delta State, in a post on his verified social media accounts on Friday. Okowa said the conversation with Jonathan focused on how to unseat the All Progressives Congress, in other words APC, via the 2023 elections, as he shared images from the event. He noted, "Last night, we had a wonderful meeting with our former president, Goodluck Jonathan, together with our presidential candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. There, we spoke with His Excellency about our objectives to recover Nigeria." According to Nigel Loaded, there have been rumors that Goodluck Jonathan has been requested to speak with aggrieved PDP members who have pushed on Iyorchia Ayu, the party's national chairman, resignation. Without being said, we have come to the end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for your concern.